Which of the following is not an organizational objective of management? Answer D. Good working conditions. Which of the following is considered as essence of management? Answer D. Coordination. Which of the following is the primary function of management? Answer A. Planning. Which of the following is part of social objectives of business? Answer A. Providing schools and colleges. How many levels of management are there? Answer B. 3. Which level of management does the task of interpretation of policies? Answer B. Middle level. Which level of management serves as linking pin between workers and other levels of management? Answer C. Lower level. Which level is called operational level? Answer C. Lower level. Why is management not considered a profession? Answer D. A and C. The process of integrating the activities of an organization in pursuit of common goals, it is called. Answer B. Coordination. Which of the following explains the nature of management? Answer A. Dynamic. Effectiveness of manager can be judged by which of the following? Answer A. Completing the work on time. Is management an arts? Answer B. Yes. Which of the following is not a feature of management? Answer C. Management seeks to earn reasonable profit. Broadly, how many objectives are there in management? Answer A. 3. Which of the following is true? Answer B. Management is an arts but not a science. Which of the following is not an importance of management? Answer D. All of the above. Management is all pervasive because. Answer C. Both A and B. Coordination is like a thread in garland. It is not a separate function of management. Rather, it is a part of managerial function. This statement is dash. Answer C. True. When is a manager said to be efficient? Answer D. When he completes a work at minimum cost.